Hello everyone. So here is the answer to how to create a 2D list or matrix asked by somebody in comments, and also he asked how to take the input from the user. So let's see how to make it, how to have the input from the user and how to create the list here. Okay, so I'm taking the variable here, like I'm writing here x is equal to integer input. Okay, now what I will write, I will simply write here the thing that I want to take from the user. Okay, now your question is your question would be, ma'am, why we have written int here? We are using int to convert our input into the integer. Okay, so we have done this many times. Okay, so here I have to take the input, so I am writing here enter the value for row. Okay, done. After that, what I have to do, I have to copy the same and I have to take it for the column 2. Okay, so let's see, control C and let me paste here. Great. But what I will do, I will take here the another variable. Okay, so that it will be differentiated, rows and columns would be differentiated, but here also, so this input was for row and this is for column. Okay, so I am writing here column. Okay, shortcut. Fine. Now what I have to do, I simply have to declare here the matrix, blank matrix. So for that I have to create the blank matrix here. Okay, matrix. Okay, great. Now after that, why I have written this one, just I'm telling you again, to create the blank matrix. Okay, matrix, I hope you are aware of the matrix where we have the rows and different values in the rows and different values in the columns. Okay, so I'm writing here for your reference, for creating a blank matrix. Okay, fine. So next, now the next job, that is I have to use the for I in I is for row I will use here and j I will use for the column. Okay, I in range. Great. Then 0 comma, what is my row I am representing with the x. Okay, great. And then fine. So after here, what I supposed to do now, I supposed to write here matrix dot append. Okay, append, what is the function of append here? It will just adding the list to the matrix. Okay, to that we have the x and y. Clear? So I am writing here matrix, it has to append. Clear? So let me write down here also for your reference why I am using this, for creating the inner list now. Okay, inner list, and this is for adding a list, okay, to the matrix. Okay, adding a list to the matrix, that is x comma y. Fine, I hope this one is clear to you. Now the next thing. Okay, now what we there is another thing what I supposed to do. Now I have to insert the elements. Okay, now I have to create the number of elements in the rows. Okay, fine. So let's start with that. After doing this, I'll use the for I in range. Okay, I in range. So what is my row? 0 comma, it has to initialize from 0 row. Okay, sorry, x, that is x. Okay, now after that what I supposed to do? Simple, I told you I is for row. Definitely now I have to take for the column also, that is for j in range. Now what is my column? 0 comma y. Fine, clear? So done. This is for row. Okay, for row, and this would be for column. Great. Now the next is what I supposed to do here. Now I have to append the matrix. Clear? So what I will write here, matrix I, okay, then J. This was my matrix, okay. I matrix I dot append J, okay, matrix I dot append, fine, J. Fine. So what is the meaning of this line here? The meaning is here it will adding the elements to the list. Okay. So it will add the elements to the list. So let's write down will add the elements to the list. Okay, it's the things I am writing it is for your reference. Okay, so next is matrix I that I was trying to do, J, okay, Ij is equal to 0. Now why I am writing this? This will help to initialize my matrix with 0. Okay, so let's write down for the reference here. It will be initialize with 0. Okay, great, done. So this is my first part. What I am trying to do, this one is my first part. Okay, for let me give the space for then that is okay, for I okay, for I, this is for row, okay, and this is for my column. Here it will append, it will add the elements to the list, and it will initialize from here. Okay, so next is, now the next thing what I supposed to do, let's start for I in range, okay, that is 0 comma x. Okay, now the portion for j in range, okay, that is 0 comma y. Great. Okay, so what I have to print here now, print entry and enter the value in row, okay, that is I plus 1, okay, then colon, okay, fine. So this one, after that what I will do, j plus 1. J I told you it is for what? For the column. Okay, so it's same like Java and C++ where we are doing the adding the values. Clear? Now after that printing all done, so it's a turn of matrix. Now matrix I j, okay, is equal to int input. Okay, great. Now the last step, that is what I have to do, I have to print int, and that is matrix. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Okay, so let's save and let's check the output here, what it is saying. Okay, great, it is saying me enter the value for row. Just suppose I have entered 2, okay, column 2, great. So it is saying enter the value in row 1 and column 1. So suppose 25 and column 34, and next value 36, then 60. Oh great, what integer must be a string, not list, wait, okay, 2 okay, fine, then uh, fine, so let's run. Here it is saying, array, I have to click here to enter 2 here, then 23, 30, 45, 67, 789. Okay, so you can see here I got the input that is given by me. I got it as it is. Okay, so this is my first row, that is, and this is the second value. This is how you can have the input from the user. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you very much, and thank you for asking the doubt. Thanks.